Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I'm gonna do a simple and natural makeup look that I think is good for school, or in my case for work. So if you would like to see how I did it, please keep on watching. So first I'm gonna use a primer. This is the Jelly Drip Hydrating Primer from Essence. As you can see, it's basically empty. I need to buy a new one. Next, I'm gonna use a sponge and setting spray. So the foundation that I use is from L'Oreal True Match. It's really my ultimate go-to foundation because no matter what happens, I always come back to this. It's really buildable and it doesn't look too heavy on the skin. I think all the products from this True Match series are really good, so definitely recommend this. I use only one pump. I like to apply the foundation in two layers, so it's one pump and two layers, because I feel that way it looks smoother. It doesn't look as cakey as it would look if I put everything at once. One more thing, it's like my pet peeve almost when it comes to makeup. I like to really make sure I blend everything very well, because especially in this area like the nose, it usually, like, after a while the foundation kind of cracks and looks cakey, and I hate that. So I always make sure I blend everything really well, even if it takes a little bit more time. Next, I'm gonna use again from Essence their concealer. It's called Camouflage Matte Concealer in shade 20, I think. Oh, and also the foundation from L'Oreal is in shade 1N. I'm running out of so many products. I need to go and buy new ones, but I feel like it will be expensive because there are quite a few that I'm running out of. So there's that. Next, I'm gonna use contour, again from Essence. It's called Baby Got Bronze, shade Sweet Shadow. I like to go a little down like this with the extra product, just so I can, give that snatch effect. Now for the nose contour. I'm not really good when it comes to contouring my nose, but I'm trying. Now I'm gonna put blush. Again, the same brand, Essence. The shade is Pinkalicious. So now that I finished with all the liquid products, I'm gonna set the face with setting powder, which is from Rimmel Stay Matte in shade 001 transparent. I've been using this for years. I'm talking like 10 plus years, which is crazy. And I'm gonna use this puff. Now I'm gonna do my eyebrows. I'm just gonna fill them in. I use this contour thing palette from Too Cool from School. Yeah, I don't buy a certain, like a special product for my brows because I just fill them in a little bit. So once again, transparent fixing gel. So that's how they look like. Nothing too special. Now I'm gonna do my eyes. I'm just gonna put some eyeshadow to create a cat eye effect because I don't trust myself with eyeliner. I bought this, it's like it's a basic brow powder, but I use it for the eyes. I use the darker shade. I bought this in Thailand when I was in Thailand. I think the brand is called For You Too. So if you don't want to use eyeliner, if you're not good, just use a dark eyeshadow, dark brown or black. See? So much easier than using eyeliner. I really tried a lot in high school to learn how to apply eyeliner. I couldn't. After 6 months, which is a lot, I gave up. So, yeah, this is the result. It looks pretty good and it was so much easier. Maybe I'm saying this because I'm lazy. I tried learning how to use eyeliner. It didn't work out. So, eyeshadow. Now I'm gonna use this highlighter from Fenty Beauty. which I have for years now. I got it as a gift. So I'm applying this in the inner corners on my eyelid. And here, just a little bit. Now, for mascara, I'm using, again, from Essence, the black one they have. I love Extreme Volume Mascara. It's not waterproof. I don't want to use waterproof mascaras because every time I do, my eyelashes just fall. Now I'm gonna line my lips with Maybelline Superstay Ink Crayon in shade 15, Lead the Way. I basically ran out of this, as you can see, but I'm gonna try to use it one more time. I don't really line them, I just put it everywhere like a lipstick. And then I overline my upper lip. So this is how the lips look like. Now I'm gonna apply blush one more time. I'm gonna use the one from Catrice, Blush Affair Cream and Powder. I use only the cream. I'm gonna put a little bit more because, as you can see, I don't really have, the one I put earlier is not really visible, and throughout the day I feel like my not my makeup but my blush especially kind of fades away. It doesn't look bad, but it looks like I'm not wearing any blush, so I prefer to put more in the morning. Now I'm gonna use the same fixing spray from Maybelline. I like to kind of drench myself in it. And now I'm gonna use again from Essence Extreme Shine Volume Lip Gloss, which, as you can tell, I'm really using a lot of it. And this is it. So this is the finished look. As you can see, it's a pretty natural everyday makeup look. I'm going to work right now, so it's pretty simple, but still looks way better than how it looked in the beginning. So yeah, thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.